In this video for the Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning practice and technique challenge, we're going to be going backwards. That's right. We're going to be starting with the pinky and then working down each one of our fingers. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Great job for committing to this challenge, committing to your playing on this one. We're going to take this pattern, but we're going to reverse it. Now, it may seem simple, but when you have to start with your pinky, and you actually have to go to the next strings up and down with the pinky, that's really where the challenge is, because the pinky is usually our weakest finger, but this one is going to help solve that for you. If you want to get involved in this and have a chance to win that Cordoba, remember we have two Cordobas actually, that Cordoba Protege C1 guitar, then you just got to do a few things. Make sure to subscribe right here to Rock Like the Pros. Head on over to Cordoba, subscribe to their channel as well. Sign up. That's most important, because once you sign up, you'll get all the information you need. We'll put that link below, and then also post at least one video on the Rock Like the Pros forum. The more videos you post, the better chance you have to win. All right, so remember I said two Cordobas. So thanks, Cordoba, for supporting us, supporting you as well. And we're going to give another guitar for the VIPs. Okay, the VIPs, they get all the tabs, they get all the PDFs, they get all the backing tracks. They get access to the private Zoom calls with me. They get some bonus lessons. They get lifetime access, and they have a chance to win that Mini 2 EBCE, which is a really cool spruce top ebony with a cutaway and a pickup guitar for the VIPs. We'll put a link to that below. So, all right. I hope you're enjoying this and that you're already seeing some benefits to this challenge. We're going to continue this after this beginning one. We're going to do level 2. We're going to do the intermediate version, and we're going to have an early bird special for that. If you want to sign up for that, we'll put a link below. You can go check it out, get more information, and sign up and be ready to explode your technique. All right, for this one, though, let me show you what I'm going to play, and then I'll teach it to you. All right, I'm always like, should I go that fast? I'm just kind of having fun. You don't need to play that fast. Matter of fact, I don't even recommend playing that fast, but I just want to show you what we're doing. It's very similar to what we have been working on, except we're going to start with our pinky. I decided to bring out my Taylor for this one. Acoustic, steel string. This is a 914 CE. Very, very cool guitar. Actually, donated a kidney to get this guitar. That's a whole other story, but anyway, very, very cool for this one. That way you can use an acoustic, you can use a nylon string, you can use electric, whatever you need for this challenge. If you need anything, picks, strings, guitars, everything you need, the #1 store, store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, so this is going to start here on the first string, 4th fret with your pinky. As a matter of fact, you're going to already have all your fingers down for this one. So 4, then you're just going to simply peel them off to the 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger. And I am going to use an alternate down-up picking for this one when I'm using my pick. If you want to use your thumb, that's fine. If you want to do more of a classical technique, you can do that as well, but I'm going to use a pick for this one. All right, so that's it. You're just going to do 4, 3, 2, 1. And that happens to be not only the fingers, but also the frets when you're here in this first position. Then you're going to go up. You're going to do the same thing. 2nd string, go up, go up, go up, and go up. All right, then when you get to the 6th string here, you're just going to simply slide this shape up. Now your pinky's going to be on the 5th fret. You're going to peel it back to 5th fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. Now the next string down. Next string down. Keep going. With all of these techniques, you want to get that nice clarity of the notes. So you don't want to get any of this buzzing because you're not pressing down hard enough or because you're on top of the fret. You want to try to control your fingers so they don't come flying out when you're playing. So control that. Play nice tempo with the backing tracks, with the metronome. So there's a lot of things we work on here besides just this finger exercise. That may seem simple, but there's a lot of extra value to it when you do it right and even do it slow and build the tempo up. So we just finished up here. I think we just did 1st string, we peeled back to that, and then we're just going to simply slide up now to the 6th fret. I'm going to Do the same thing, next string. Just nice and relaxed. So these frets are 6th fret, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 6th string. All right, and then we're gonna slide up again. 7th fret now with the pinky, peel it back. Just get it nice and relaxed. Now you shouldn't have too much tension here on the hand. Okay, it shouldn't be like gripping this neck where it's really tight, where you're feeling a lot of stress here on the thumb or the wrist. You want to be nice and relaxed. As a matter of fact, your thumb here should just be a nice guide to move up and down the neck. All right, and then the last one we're going to do, at least for this exercise, we just finished off here. We're going to slide up to the 8th fret and then peel it off. 7, 6, 5. Next string. And right there, we're going to end. The last note there is going to be on the 5th fret of the 6th string. Of course, you can take these as high up as you want. You can even work your way down. But for right now, with the backing track, which we're going to do with a medium backing track, the 120 backing track, we're just going to go up to that 5th fret there. So you ready? Come on, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do on that one? Leave a comment below. 1 to 5. These really take a lot of concentration to get the fingering right, to lock in with the backing track and move it up the neck, which again, it seems easy, but it's actually difficult and a really fantastic technique builder and warm up as well. So do your videos. You got to post your videos over at the Rock Like the Pros forum. Do that. Watch other people's videos. Comment, like them. Be part of that community. You're going to really grow being part of that community, seeing other people's videos, people commenting on yours. It's going to be unbelievable how that's going to add to your playing. Now, we're going to have something special for you. Okay, I've already mentioned we're going to do the level 2, the intermediate version of this, but we're also going to have an advanced technique workshop. This is just going to be a one day, but what's going to happen one day, it's not going to be a whole day, but it's going to be a workshop for us on these kind of things, but like really advanced ideas and techniques. So we'll put a link of that below if you want to sign up for it, just something extra that I want to do for you. All right, great job. Get this down, practice it slowly, get it accurate, get it clear, and really build that strength. Good job. Do not stop. Keep going, and we'll see you in the next one.